Hey dudes, today I want to talk about reversing sounds. It's really easy to do, so let's jump right into it and make today a quick video. Alright, so I have a few samples loaded in here. We're going to start with the most classic reverse sound in my opinion, which is a drum crash or a cymbal. So I'll just play it regular. So nothing fancy there. All we got to do to reverse a sound is click on it with the hand grabber, go up to AudioSuite, go to Other, and then bada boom, there's reverse. So really not much to this plugin. You basically just hit render and that's it. It now reverses the sound and it sounds like this now. So again, this is a super classic sound that's used to like come out of a dream or a flashback or something like that. And it's really effective when you do it in reverse like this, because instead of crashing and then slowly going out like this, it gives you that kind of ramp up feeling, you know, going into the next scene, or like I said, popping out of a dream or something like that. So there you go. All right, so another sound that I like to reverse is an explosion. It basically does the same thing as a cymbal, but it's got a little more flair to it. So let's check out a couple of things I got here. Yeah, all really cool sounds. They're slightly different, but let's just go through. We still got our AudioSuite reverse. All I gotta do is hit render. And a quick note while I'm doing this, you notice that it actually takes the old file and renders it right here in the track. And just to prove that this is true, you can also see that the name has changed to reverse, or we can go to the clip list and you can see some files now say reverse, but the original files are still here. So just keep that in mind that you're actually creating a new file. But let's listen to what we got. Cool, so that's a short one. Here's the one that had some debris in it. So much longer ramp up, that's pretty neat. Yeah, that one's cool, had a good little snap at the end there. And here's our low frequency. So really cool, really interesting, and really easy, honestly. All right, so that's about it. Just remember, all you got to do is go up to AudioSuite, Other, Reverse, hand grab whatever clip you are trying to reverse, hit render, and that's it. That's how you reverse a sound in Pro Tools. So hopefully this helps you with your sound design. And until next time, later dudes.